try to set my camera up here so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I determined with my little meter here that that's hot, and as you can see, it's very dim. So I got some wire here, and what I'm going to do is, over here is a place where I can splice in, and that's what I'm going to do right now. There are my little splicer things. I need to find out how much wire I need. I think we can get by with that one right there. I got the other end of my wire over here. I need to verify that this other wire is hot, like I think it is. Huh. That's dim. That's not good. That's not good at all. That might be a bad, that might not be a bad wire. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get up underneath the trail over here. Alright, so what I did was splice the wire from over there over to here. This is the tail light marker, or this is for the tail light, and I spliced it over into here with my handy dandy wire. And there we go. I need to get some zip ties to hold this up, and I need to put this big bad boy back on. I had to take this off to be able to access to find out which wire that I needed to hook into. So I've got to put that on, but I did get it spliced in, and I now have tail lights, at least theoretically. Let's take a look. Yeah, it appears I have tail lights now.